fractions comparing by drawing pictures. Comparing by drawing pictures. And this will be short and very sweet for you. First of all, I copied up there a little square from your homework paper. Yours does not have green, but it is pretty much that same thing. And the reason why those squares are there is so that you can use those to help you with your homework. Now, the first problem we're going to have is to compare. We are comparing. You don't have to write the word, but you can write it. I am going to compare 1/2 to 1/3. Okay? And the reason this is called comparing by drawing pictures is you are going to do just that. You are going to draw two rectangles and cut them into pieces and see which one is bigger. Okay, now here's the deal though with this, the dealio as they say. Okay, you need to draw your rectangles. Here is the key. Draw rectangles the same size. If you don't draw your rectangles the same size, you will get an error message from the book and it'll say you did this not correct. It just makes sure, it just won't happen right. So, since I've got all these squares, I am just going to use those lines to help me to draw two very similar rectangles. For example, I'm going to make this 1 high and 3 long. So here's my 1 high, here's my 3 long, and I'm going to make another one just like it. 1 high, 3 long. It's got a little thing. So my rectangles, although those don't look exactly the same. Okay. Going to draw as close as I can to the same rectangles, and you're just going to shade whatever it says. This fraction here is 1/2, which means I cut it into 2 equal pieces, and I'm shading one of those 2. This one here, I'm cutting it into 3 equal pieces, and I'm shading one of them. Which fraction is bigger is the one where more is shaded. And an interesting thought here, children, where people get confused is they see a 2 here and they see a 3 there, and they think that 3's are bigger than 2's. Well, in fractions, if you have a 3 down here, that means you're cutting it into smaller pieces. So one of those pieces is going to be smaller than one of those pieces over there. Does that kind of make a little thing there? I'm going to copy this. Oops, sorry. I'll do this now. Let's do another one because I can tell you're totally entranced by that.
Yes.
Entranced is a great word. What if I were comparing 1/2 to 2/3? Or compare 1/2 to 2/3. 1/2 to 2/3. And you can make your rectangle bigger if you like. You could make it we could make it a 2x3 rectangle. 2x3. Try to draw the other rectangle the same exact size. 2x3. Doing the same thing. This one's going to look a lot. I'm just going to cut this one in half, which means right here. Oops. I don't like that half. I'm going to make my half right here. Shade half of it. This one I'm cutting it into thirds. And how many of those thirds am I shading?
2.
2 of them. Which rectangle has more shaded?
It's 2 ones.
No, they are not.
No, they're 2/3.
And the reason you can tell that is look right here. There is this little squiggle right here that is shaded on here and not shaded over here. So this fraction is actually bigger by that little red mark there. One more just because, how about 1/2 compared to 2/4? 1/2 compared to 2/4. Maybe I'll put my little, if I can get it. Oh look, I got another one. 1/2 compared to 2/4. 1/2, 32/4. How long should we make this one? Let's make this one a 1/4. 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, that's only by 3. 1 by 4. This one I'm cutting in. Oh, this was only 1 by 3. Killing me, literally killing me. This one. My rectangles looking the same size now. This one I'm splitting down the middle again and shading half of it. This one I'm cutting into 4 pieces and shading 2 of them. Which one's bigger?
They're equal.
Are equal. You can have that. Make sure that you sketch which is there. Not a tough lesson at all.